Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have August's UPBOX. Do you want to see what's inside? Because I do. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, I am so excited when this box comes. If you follow me, you know I really enjoy this box. It's perfectly curated and it's themed every single month, and I just love it. So if you're not familiar with the UPBOX, I will let you know what it's all about. The UPBOX, you can get 50% off your first order using UPBOX 50 on their site. Their link will be down below, and they have plans starting at $26.19 a month, depending on how many months you prepay for. And it is an encouragement in a box, and this is a delight to get every single month, and I absolutely love it. It not only has a bunch of encouraging words all over the box, it just speaks encouragement and it makes you feel loved, and you'll see. So let's go ahead and get into August's box and see what is in here. And I don't know how they do this, especially giving 50% off, because they also donate part of their proceeds to organizations that help amazing causes and stuff. So I just don't know how they do it, but it's an amazing box and I love how everything is. This is the theme, Bella. This is the Bella box. Hello, gorgeous. And there's another card in here. And oh my gosh, look at, there's cute little leaves, and there's pineapples and flamingos. These are so cute. I love all of their little special touches that they put. I've never seen another company package something so well. Their attention to detail is spot on. So there it is. They have the sticker that matches, the Bella Vita. I guess that's how you say that. Let's go ahead and get in here and see. Ooh. Okay, so they have all the little white squigglies and everything is underneath. Now they always give you the little cards like this, and let's see what they say inside. So you always get the matching card for the month, and it comes with 2 of them in each package with the envelope, and that is just so cute. That's what it looks like. And then inside, look how cute. That is so cute. I recommend the enjoyment of life, for there is nothing better on earth for a person to do except to eat, drink, and enjoy life. That is awesome. And again, you do get 2 of them. There's 2 envelopes. Next we have, and this is Sydney Grace. These look like these are individual eyeshadows, and that's awesome because I do have a magnetic palette. And oh my gosh, look at these teals. Those are my color. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna need to open these and swatch them so we can see what color they are. So there are all of the 3 colors right there. This is a gorgeous shimmer. Then you have my normal little matte teal, and then there is that brown. I can see this being a complete look. That is gorgeous. I love all 3 of those colors. I cannot wait to use them. So there's all 3 of those, and again, those will go in my magnetic palette. And yes, those greens are my favorite color. So, oh my goodness, we are starting off so good. Next in here we have is a sticker that says the Bella Vita. And there is a card in here. Let's see what it says. Vinyl application instructions. So it gives you instructions on how to apply the vinyl sticker. Put that back in there. So we have the vinyl sticker. Next we have is a pineapple pure soy candle, hand poured with Aloha on Kauai. That is so cute though. Look at the packaging with it has a shell and then the little dangle, And that thing actually has their logo on it. And let's see. That does smell really good. It has a 1 wick. It smells nice and citrusy. Definitely for this time of year, they couldn't have picked a better candle to put in this box. And yeah, there is the top of it. And there is the bottom, and it is a pure soy candle. So we have a candle. Next item in here is Aloha coconut milk body lotion. So there's that. This is such a cool theme and perfect for the summer, you guys. So there's a body lotion. Then there's this little bag right here. That's such a cute bag. Let's see what's in here. And this says La Bloom Beauty. And this is a cocoa vanilla lip sugar scrub. I think that's a lip sugar scrub. Apply a small amount into wet lips scrub. Yep. So this is a lip sugar scrub right there. Then we have a La Bloom Beauty nail oil right there. And then the other item in here is La Bloom Beauty Lash and Brow Serum. Right there. And what is this? So like that. Huh. I wonder what this does. Let's see. It has ingredients, vegan and cruelty-free. Directions: apply sparingly at nighttime. Avoid direct contact in eyes. Made in California. I'm a California girl. So again, there is that. I'm excited to try that out. Lash serum. Maybe it'll help these little girls grow a little. Maybe. Who knows? We'll see. Next item in here, you guys, is a Bubble Cakes Citrus Explosion Fizzy Dust. Drop into bath and enjoy the bubbles, fizz, and citrus scent. So that is really cool. There's that, nice and citrusy. Definitely the same color, like the peach, the coconuts. This is just an amazing theme. I love this box. Okay, so then here is something that says Just Chill. It's just a notepad. Let's see. Ooh, has a little magnet. Has a magnet. And it says Just Chill. And it's a little notepad. That's cool that it has a magnet. I'm glad it has a magnet. Keeps it closed. And you can toss this in your purse or have it next to your computer, your phone. You never know when you need to jot something down. So I have little notepads everywhere, even in my car, my glove box, my center console, my desk. I have them everywhere. So next we have is the Aloha. Okay, so this is the same brand for sure. Aloha. This is a coconut milk pure Hawaiian soap. So these two definitely go together. And let's see here what it is in its package. So I don't know if we're gonna be able to, it definitely smells like coconut for sure. So there's that, it has their name on it and it is wrapped all in plastic and I can smell the coconut right through it. So that's gonna be amazing. So there's that. And then there's one more item in here, you guys. And it is in here and it says that it's a bracelet. So let's see. Ooh, and it's a bright orange neon-like color bracelet. This is definitely festive for this month for sure. There's that. So there's a little charm right there. And then there's another little guy right here. Let me see if I can get that. Focus. So there's a little charm there and here, and it is an adjustable bracelet. On the back, it does say that this is valued at $15. And that is everything that was in this box, you guys. So you have a bracelet, definitely matches my shirt right now too, with that bright, beautiful color, like a peachy orange color. Love that. And it came with its own little bag. This is founded in Costa Rica. Each purchase helps provide full-time jobs for artisans worldwide. That is awesome. So there's that, and we got to help somebody with the job. There's the coconut soap. You have the body lotion to match, so you can be smelling so good. I love when you have a matching set, so you're not using like one scent in the shower, getting out and using another scent for your face and another scent for your lotion and this and that. At least this, you can match your scents. I love that. And then again in this, we got the brow serum, we have the nail serum, and then the lip scrub, all same theme, so cool. We have the candle, which is really cute. I like the way that it is actually made and with the little shell and everything on that. Then we have the Just Chill notepad, the bubble bath fizzer-uppers. You have the sticker, the 2 different sets of 2 different cards. You also have this card as well. And there's a few of these that I have in my office, like around, because I just really love the way that they look, and I just like the design of them. Then we have the 3 single shadows, which again are right there, which I'm so glad to have, especially those colors. So that is awesome. And it says Bella Vita translates to beautiful life. And this Bella Up box is all about exploring and discovering the beauty of our journey and creating a life full of experiences that you enjoy. Bella Vita embodies that enriching, spiritly driven balance that is deeply satisfying between our home life, work life, community, and travels. These specialty accessories and lifestyle essentials are lovingly and thoughtfully crafted in the US and are part of an encouragement movement that is impacting and changing lives throughout our global community. Learn more about Upwards and our products to purchase at www.upwards.me. The Upbox family. They're just amazing, you guys. And there's the whole entire card. And I like that it means beautiful life, because we all need to enjoy life and don't worry about the small things. Everything will work itself out. That is amazing, you guys. So definitely enjoy life, learn when to press pause and take care, and that is it. Enjoy life. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Again, if you want to check them out, down below will be their link to take you to their site. Upbox 50 will get you 50% off your first purchase, which is amazing. And again, I don't know how they do it, because they also give back and they give you all of these wonderful items, and every month is a new theme, all color coordinated with each other, and it's just amazing. This box brings me so much joy. I can never stop smiling when I'm opening it. And then now I cannot wait to see what we get in September. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I'd greatly appreciate it. And then you can see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.